Today is a holiday in China, which means that we don't have school. Our school has organized the trip for us that will take 3 days, and it will also take about 6 hours to get there. So we're on our way to get some snacks. We got our snacks!
Hi, welkom bij de vlog. Oh, sorry, that's my Dutch. We're on our way to
Fengshan?
Fengshan.
Yeah. What are we gonna do there?
We're going to help promote tourism over there. At least Serena is, because I look like a Chinese person and they need Uigoren, and I don't look like a Uigoren.
You are a Uigoren.
I am a Uigoren though. We're gonna travel 6 hours in the bus to
Fengshan.
对. And there we'll have some nice activities. And today it's Mid-Autumn Festival. 中 The other way around. 中秋节 Jazz 中秋节快乐 Happy Mid-Autumn Festival.
Well, let's see how this 6-hour bus ride goes.
Yeah, hopefully it goes well.
Okay, bye!
在这个世界里寻找着你的梦想，
We are trying
你问我
this.
梦想在哪里？我还年轻，我还
I don't
年
know that
轻。
time.
Covered in chocolate.
You're a professional.
Custard in between.
How does it taste?
Soft, chewy, and sweet.
Wanna try? I'm making a mess.
It's very crumbly. Yeah, you're making a mess. No. It's not bad. I like the selfie.
I like it.
I like it well.
Good snack. We're eating so many snacks. We won't be hungry. Pomelo, fried bread, the fish Gabrielle gave you. I ate some pancakes. This. I have nuts. They told us to bring snacks. We brought snacks.
We did. Is it just get some orange? There.
It's a tangerine. We call it mandarinli.
What's the difference between Mandarin, tangerine, and Mandarin and orange?
Well, Mandarin is the Chinese language we try to learn.
Never mind.
他们都说我们把理想都忘在那轻狂的日子里，我不哭泣，我不逃避。给我一瓶酒，再给我一支烟，说走就走。
How was the ride?
It was fine. Yeah, with the snacks and the pretty views.
We ate a lot of snacks. So this is the hotel. Wow. It's nice, looks nice.
You need to do that like every time.
Oh my god, imagine. I've never been in a hotel this fancy before.
Yeah, 5-star. 5-star.
我不想在未来的日子里独自哭着无法往前。给我一瓶酒，再给我一支烟，说走就走，我有的是时间。我不想在未来的日子里。
I don't know what's going on, but we got some here. What are we doing now?
We're waiting for Claudia to take her picture because she's famous. And
Claudia's taking her pictures.
Yao Ming.
Yao Ming, Yao Ming. We went to a bar.
找着你的未来，你问我未来在哪里？我还年轻，我还年轻。
Good morning. We're gonna go get some breakfast, and after that we have a 2-hour meeting we're supposed to go to. Excitement! Yay! This looks very dessert-like.
他们都 都说我们把理想都忘在那轻狂的日子里。我不哭泣，我不逃避，给我一瓶酒，再给我一支烟，说走就走啊，有的是时间。我不想在未来的日子里独自哭着。
I can be a therapist. How have you been feeling, Serena?
I feel a lot of pressure down there. I don't know. I think it might be the food here.
How is the standing toilet working out for you?
Good.
Don't put this in your vlog.
I will definitely put this in my vlog.
No, put it in your.
I will put it in my
You will lose followers.
It's not about the followers, it's about the memories.
Go do the lunch scenes.
Oh yeah. How did you guys like the meeting?
I didn't.
I thought it was great. I learned, like, I studied my vocabulary.
It was interesting actually. Like some parts, especially when it was in English. But because there was an entire speech in Chinese with a PowerPoint in Chinese, and we were like, oh Lord.
Yeah, we need to.
Your alarm.
It's because the door's not closed. I think that's when it like beeps.
Oh, it's like the French
It's
door.
open, you can steal something, get in.
Maybe.
But I think we cannot like set that.
It's okay. Does anyone want to take this over?
I'll take it. Fruit. Oh, it looks good.
Broccoli.
They have veggies too.
You will be happy. They have broccoli.
Oh my god, they have broccoli. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. We're gonna have lunch. Bye. Hello, I'm making. Oh, Melissa, there you are. We thought it would be interesting to show you guys our 5-star room. Our 5-star hotel room. Day. This is our lovely door. Yeah, that's it. We have a bell. Isn't that fancy? Okay, over here we have our bathrobes. Oh my god, what the hell?
You were talking about the bathroom, the alarm is going off.
These are our bathrobes.
Why do people care about your bathroom?
Fine, you're not gonna see the bathrobes. This is our snacks section. People care about snacks.
Candy, vitamin gummies, just biscuits.
Knockoff Oreos.
Yeah.
This is, I think this is knockoff French toast. These are beds. This is where we sleep.
Very comfortable.
Yes. This is Anneli. She doesn't have a bed.
This is not my room.
She has a sofa.
She has a sofa. This is our view. It's quite nice. Is it?
Is it?
It is. No, I think the mountains are nice to look at.
That's it?
No, we're not. This is a work desk station. Anneli, do you want to sit there to show them what the proportion is? Okay, now do your businesswoman boss thing. Yeah, put on the glasses too.
You don't have any correction. Do you have fake glasses?
Girl,
Yeah,
I have corrections. Not that much actually. 2.75 or something.
probably will get a headache when I wear these for long. I feel smarter already.
Okay, this is my luggage and this is my bag and this is a trash
That's the
can.
princess luggage. She's the only one who brought a big ass suitcase to a 1.5 day trip.
It's a 3-day trip.
Come on, we arrived yesterday evening. We
It's
didn't
for
do
her
anything.
skin routine project.
I have a, yeah.
How many skin?
Don't look at the bathroom.
How many do you have? Do you know the
No,
ingredients?
no, Anyways, this is our bathroom. The bathroom's actually really nice. And our mirror has a really funny function. It lights up. Yeah, Melissa likes to watch me here sometimes. This is the matong and the lachitong. Oh man, that's our room. It's a nice room.
Yeah.
Right? It's a nice room.
My room is the same.
Okay, that's it. Bye. We are going to look at a cave.
We're gonna watch people climbing.
We're gonna watch people climbing in a cave. This is the cave. Anneli is here to say something.
Oh no. How do you like this trip? Do you like it? Are you enjoying yourself?
I think it's a little boring, to be honest. A random rock just fell down.
But it has to do, I think Lester did something because the man, the instructor man, was talking to him, wait for me, wait for me.
Come on, Grace!
One of the guys got stuck up there, a piece of rock fell down, and now somebody had to climb up and get him. I don't think I want to try it anymore. They're coming down. Somebody made it. Hi. We're at a show. We don't know what's gonna happen, but we have funny lights thingies.
And we have something that makes noise.
这里不仅有非常丰富的自然资源，而且在今年的4月份，广西首家低空飞行营地落户了凤山，也就是说，到这。
Thank you. Always invite people, never with me.
I want to take pictures with you all the time.
I know, but the Chinese people don't want me. No.
Hi. Good. Good. No, not good. Actually, I'm fucking pissed. Okay, because tonight I saw Beyond. That's the only Cantonese band I know. And I know one song of them. One song. And I know how to sing it. And guess what song they did not play?
She's been complaining about this
I'm so...
for the whole evening. And this is very painful for me because this is like the 4th time I hear this story.
I don't understand it.
We're now walking home. I'm really tired. But Serena seems to have a lot of energy still because she's being dramatic. She's being very dramatic. And this is the difference. I just want to go to bed. She wants to listen to songs. Cool.
So, how is everybody feeling about eating?
Actually, I'm kind of hungry, to be fair.
Cheers. Yeah. We had to change in a bigger room, and now we're here. I'm tired. We ended up staying a little later than I expected. Tomorrow we have to get up at 8 to go for breakfast. And then at 9, we'll get her to go. I think we're gonna look at a cave. I'm actually excited to do that, but I'm tired now. We'll see each other tomorrow. Good morning. Lots of marriages have been happening this month. It's like as soon as I turn the camera on, Anneli's like, hi.
Are you making a vlog or something?
Yeah. Do you want to join?
I'd love to. Like,
Your highlighter guy now.
yeah.
She's still
Ready?
go.
Joba. Do you want to share something with your followers?
Actually, I would like to take this moment to say hi to my mom. Hi, Mom. I hope you're doing well. Okay, that's it. Bye.
I got a hat.
Missing Tibet.
我不想在未来的日子里独自哭着，无法往前。给我一瓶酒，再给我一支烟，说走就走，我有的是时间。我不想在未来的日子里独自哭着，无法往前。给我一瓶酒，再给我一支烟，说走就走，我有的是时间。我不想在未来的日子里独自哭着，无法往前。给我一瓶酒，再给我一支烟，说走就走，我有的是时间。我不想在未来的日子里独自哭着，无法往前。给我一瓶酒，再给我一支烟，说走就走，我有的是时间。我不想在未来的日子。
How'd you like the cave? Dark.
So we're now on the back side of the cave. Oh my god, I literally just turned on the camera and you came sprinting.
Actually, I wanted to film myself, but I didn't see you holding your gimbal. To be fair, I know it's not believable anymore, but it's the truth.
I was just saying that we're at the back of the cave now, right? This is climbing highlighter. Oh my god, I'm so sweaty.
Oh, it's okay. You can sweat. I already know you fart, so.
Anneli knows about my daily pooping schedule. And she's weirdly invested in it too. It's so nice, and then there's that.